Hi, my name is Luba. I am Recruitment Marketing Lead at Intellias, and welcome to my work from home office. I joined Intellias 3 years ago as an event specialist, and since that time I had a chance to grow to the Recruitment Marketing Lead position. Now, with a team of 8 people, we launch the complex marketing campaigns, and we cooperate with talent delivery team, making Intellias a great place to work for talents on the market and attracting them to our company. Of course, I believe in the power of numbers, and we use a lot of data and marketing tools to measure our work and to make beautiful reports. But honestly, my favorite part of my work is events. That's actually my dog trying to distract me. That's life as it is. Real, not perfect, you see. So I do like events, especially the conferences. That's my passion, and this is a huge part of my life. In marketing as well, and probably the best part is to see the huge lines, people waiting for 2 hours, 1 hour to get some of our branded gifts. Like the recent experience was at IT Arena conference where we were huge. Honestly, it was a huge project and I'm really proud of my team to accomplish that. There is definitely some magic when I see people coming from the last year event this year just to ask how we are doing and to see what we prepared for them this time. Probably the first thing that comes up to my mind is the ice cream cart that we had on the conference in Bulgaria, and I remember people making the huge line just to get some of our best flavors, and that was really fun. About my favorite project, I definitely say it's a SheStack conference and community. One day, we just decided to make it, and was it a challenge? Right, but definitely a joy to remember. So join our SheStack community, come to our events, become one of our speakers, and let's just unite for the better future of women in the tech world. It was one of the biggest online events I've ever organized in my life. And that's why I truly appreciate all the efforts me and my team did that day. 3 online stages, 50 speakers, over 2,000 participants, and it was the SheStack Volume 1. This year we're planning to organize SheStack Volume 2. If you're already here today in my house, I will share one small spoiler that we are already developed a SheStack Hub. That's kind of a SheStack social media where we will make the networking better and build the community for women by women.